Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mooli and welcome to another exciting video. And by seeing the title, you already know today we are going to talk about some Amazon products that you should purchase and you should not purchase as well. So lot of you always ask me what I should purchase from Amazon. Are all the Amazon products genuine or all the products are first copy or second copy? So in this video, I'm going to talk about all of them. But before starting this video, let me just clear out the clouds because you see a lot of Amazon video which are actually sponsored. So this one is not sponsored because I don't think Amazon will actually pay me to recommend the products that you should not buy, which I'm going to recommend in this video. So yeah, that's what I wanted to clear out. Okay, so further ado, let's get started with our main video. But if you are joining me for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell icon if you like the contents that I create, so that whenever I will post new videos in future, you will get a notification of that. So firstly, I'm going to suggest you what you should purchase from Amazon, because I always like to start off with some positivity. Unless and until it's Corona, I would like to see some positive things in my life as well. Now firstly, I would like to recommend you some nails, which is the fake nails or acrylic nails or gel nails, whatever you're gonna call it. Now I have seen many websites sell nails, but what I realized, I felt most of the websites, whenever you purchase a fake nails from their website, they only give you 10 or 12 nails. And let's be real guys, everyone has different type of nail shapes. So it's really difficult. It's literally very difficult. Ask me, because I am a nail freak. It's very difficult to shape your nails according to your nails with every single acrylic nails. So it's redundant to purchase those nails and they cost you so much. Like I recently purchased a nail from a website. I'm not gonna take any name because I don't want to call out the websites, because creating a website is a very big deal, of course. But still, I just ordered a nail and they have sent me only 12 piece of nail. Now I literally WhatsApp them because I knew that they're gonna send some different shape of nails. So I literally sent my nail shape, but again they sent me some different type of nail shapes and it was very expensive. I think that costs me around 1499 rupees and I was very heartbroken. I tried to contact them to replace the item and they just declined. So I was very heartbroken, and after that I never went to any website to purchase any nails. Now the most nails that you see on Amazon, they have 24 pieces, which is a great thing. I personally feel like that's something that you need, I need, we all need. With different nail sizes, it's really crucial to have different nail shapes as well. And with 24 set of nails, you can get your desired shape. So that's why I always suggest you to go for different type of nails from Amazon. Now if something has positive side, it also will have negative side. Now I have purchased 3 nails, different type of nails, which was actually arrived in different shape. It wasn't good quality. So of course you have to search. I'm gonna give you some example in the description box. You can go ahead and check those nails out because I have tried them and that's why I'm suggesting you, and the brand is very authentic as well. That's why I will be giving the link in the description box. If you are looking for acrylic nails, Amazon is the best place to go for or to search for, because I think the Amazon nails are very exclusive and they are selling set of 24, which is very important for any person. Now let's move on to the second product that I'm going to recommend, and that will be definitely Swiss Beauty products. Now you already know that Swiss Beauty products are available in everywhere, whether it's your local market, it's Flipkart, Nykaa, Myntra. All the e-commerce platform have Swiss Beauty products. Whenever you purchase anything from Nykaa, they provide you 5% or 10% discount and you feel like, oh my god, I am getting discount on Swiss Beauty products, and Swiss Beauty products are actually very affordable. So you are getting additional discount, so you will feel like, oh my god, I'm getting additional discount. So in everywhere I won't get additional discount, right? But trust me, whenever you will go to Amazon website and you will search Swiss Beauty products, you will get 15 20, even 25% discount, and they give you genuine products. Most of the products that I have shown in my Swiss Beauty One Brand tutorial video, most of them I purchased from Amazon, and some of them I have also purchased from Nykaa as well. But trust me, some of the products I didn't like, which I purchased from Nykaa. I want to be very honest with you guys. I don't have any shade to any of this company, but I just felt like Swiss Beauty products that I have purchased from Amazon was much better than the Nykaa one, because the Nykaa products are what they sales, they expires really quickly, and the products that I have purchased from Amazon, they were supposed to expire around 2025. Swiss Beauty products that I have purchased from Nykaa was about to expire around 2022, which actually broke my heart. I don't think I will be able to finish that in that time. But yeah, if you're willing to grab the more discount, you must want to check out the Swiss Beauty products on Amazon, because Amazon gives some amazing discounts on Swiss Beauty, and I have researched that. That's why I'm recommending you. Now the next recommendation is for razors. Now if you already don't know, I am a shaving person. I love shaving. I have tried waxing, I have tried plucking, and I was back to shaving because that is so pain free. Let's be real, it's so quick and it's so good as well. So for facial razor, I have searched in many e-commerce platform like Nykaa, Myntra, Amazon, Purple, but I still found out that Amazon sells some very good quality facial razors under affordable budget. Now if you are doing your proper skincare before shaving your face or your body, whatever, the razor will last very long. Okay, so I did the same thing as well. So obviously when I started using my razors that I purchased from Nykaa wasn't that good, and they cost you so much of a money. And I literally purchased a razor with 200 rupees, which was actually one razor. Okay, that didn't last for a very long time, I want to be very honest. But I purchased the Tingle razors from Amazon, and I literally really like them. They sells 3 razor for 199 rupees, and you will get 5% discount if you are grabbing the things during the sale. So I literally like that particular razor. You won't even believe I have stocked up on them. I literally have 6 additional razors. I have purchased 2 packets of them, additional packets, because of emergency purpose. The blades are very wide and it's very long lasting as well. I have purchased my first razor from Amazon around November 2020 and still it's running, so I don't need to go with another razor. I think I'm gonna stick with this until the end of my life. The next thing that I'm going to recommend you that I recently discovered, I'm talking about the set of 5 or 10 earrings that you get in Amazon like no one's business. I used to think that if they are selling the 10 earrings under 500, they will cost much cheaper when you will purchase it from local store or in any e-commerce platform. But I just checked. I checked multiple e-commerce platform before giving this. I cannot just shout out within air without any proof, right? So when I purchased that particular product from Myntra, I just found out that it was way too much costly, and the seller was obviously different, but still the products are same. I just found out that whenever you will purchase the set of earrings from different e-commerce platform, that will cost much more than Amazon costs. So definitely if you're looking for set of 5 earrings or 10 earrings or even the Jhaveri Pearls earrings which are available in Amazon and Myntra as well, just compare the price. You will understand that Amazon sells products much cheaper than Myntra. Even I went through lot of e-commerce platforms which actually specifically sells the earrings. I found out that they also costs you much more than Amazon costs you. So I don't know the terms and conditions that Amazon provides the seller, but I will definitely say that if you are purchasing the set of earrings, then you should definitely check that one out in Amazon specifically. Now the next product that I'm going to suggest you is actually something that actually changed my mind for a little bit, because that product is just bomb. I'm talking about false lashes. Now false lashes are very expensive when you go for a brand like PAC, Huda Beauty, MAC, and let's be real guys, you cannot use a false lash for your entire life, okay? It will get destroyed. Recently, like 6 to 7 months ago, I have purchased many lashes from Amazon to check those products, and since then I am not going back to any other lashes. Literally, I used to purchase a lot of PAC, lot of Huda Beauty, lot of MAC lashes, because I just used to think like mehenga cheez acha hota hai. But trust me, you will purchase it once and you will never stop thanking me. I'm talking about all the lashes that is available in market, especially Electromania lashes. They are so good and they are so inexpensive as well. You will get about 5 or 6 pairs under 400 rupees, which is an amazing thing, and they lasts for a very long time. Like the bands are very curvy as well. They don't give you any hard time while placing that, and those feels really light on the lashes. As you can see, I am wearing a lash from Amazon as well today. This is the Kylie lashes. I don't know what it is. I will try to put the link in description box. Their quality is top notch. They are very long lasting. They are very lightweight on the eyelashes as well. So really like those lashes. I will suggest you to go for the lashes in Amazon rather than going for Ardell lashes on Flipkart as well. Ardell lashes costs you like 500 rupees. I know Ardell is a very beautiful international brand and they sell some amazing lashes, but still you can give Amazon lashes a try because they are very good and they are, you know, very long lasting as well, and they won't give you any hard time. Now we are gonna go to the negative things. Okay, the first product that I'm stopping you from buying from Amazon is any Al's Goodness or Good Vibes products. Now whenever you will purchase Al's Goodness or Good Vibes products, try to purchase from Purplle because they give you massive discount and they give you buy 3 get 2, buy 2 get 1 type of offers as well. But whenever you will purchase these products from Amazon, they will give you a discount which means nothing, to be very honest. They just cut down the actual product MRP and they just hike up the price and then they give discount. In the meantime, you will also think that Swiss Beauty products are the same, but I have researched it. Okay, the product MRP remains the same in the different websites for Swiss Beauty. Don't just mix up these things. Okay, I'm just talking about Al's Goodness and Good Vibes or any Purplle exclusive brand like NY Bay, Steakworky. Recently they are also launched on Amazon as well, but I will suggest you to go for Purplle website to purchase this particular product. So that's why it will help you to save some money and get additional products as well. So don't buy Al's Goodness or Good Vibes or any Purplle exclusive brand products from Amazon specifically. Next up, I'm going to talk about a product which is the recent obsession of everyone. Like everyone is speaking about that. This statement will create some controversies in the comment section, like I can see that. So I'm going to talk about facial steamer. Now first of all, facial steamer is of no use. Everyone says that facial steamers helps to open up your pores, which is a very bad rumor. Trust me, your pores cannot be opened. Okay, first of all, it will stay like as it was previously. Facial steamer or whatever in this world cannot open your pores. First of all, it's a very bad myth that I wanted to bust out, and facial steamers especially aggravate sensitive skin. Okay, and by any chance if you suffer from rosacea or eczema, the steam or the heat that is coming from the steamer can literally trigger your facial flushing. Okay, so mind it, if you are suffering from rosacea or eczema, you shouldn't use facial steamer in any way. All the facial steamers that you see on Amazon under 200 rupees, they are all made with plastic. So you are understanding what I'm trying to say, right? You are inhaling plastics, which is not good at all. Even the high-end facial steamers are also not good for your skin. It can do bad rather than doing good. Those are really not worth it and they are harming your skin in a very deeper level. After that, I'm gonna stop you from purchasing any international brand beauty products. You will see a lot of beauty products which are actually international brands are available on Amazon, but Suppose I'm giving you an example to make you understand in a better way. A Juvia's Place product like an eyeshadow retails for £5, okay, and you are not able to purchase from website because you don't have any international card or any Visa card, right? So you just search that particular product on Amazon and you purchase that because it's very easier, right? So I will suggest you to calculate. If you see a product is actually retailing for 200 rupees, the MRP is 200 rupees, you will pay extra 5000 rupees for that particular product on Amazon, okay? Like the MAC foundation, you can search after watching this video. You can go ahead and search different palettes, different products, foundation, liners, whatever it is. You can just go ahead and check that one out. Like I recently checked the Juvia's Place palette and that costs 28,000 rupees. You won't even believe the actual MRP of that particular product is 2999. I'm talking about the Masquerade palette that I have purchased around 6 or 7 months ago. So even if you're craving for that particular product, just wait until it comes in India. Trust me, it will come in India one day. Next up, I'm stop recommending you any nail glue or eyelash glue that is available on Amazon. They sell some beautiful first copy or second copy products which just doesn't worth it. For example, if you search Miss Clear nail glue, you will find lots and lots of similar packaging product. Like there is no trace of anything by which you can actually distinguish the actual product with the duped product. Okay, I intentionally purchased that product, not by mistake. Okay, just wanted to try out things that I literally do, that became my hobby nowadays. That's why I went ahead and purchased one of them and it was a disaster. They prices the product similar to the actual product, which is a twist, and I was like, oh my god, the strategies here is real. After purchasing that, I tried to apply it and I just discovered that that is a basic glue that you get in your bookstore with 10 rupees. I never purchase any glue from Amazon, and you shouldn't either because they are just don't worth it, and you will end up paying extra money for something which you cannot use. If you cannot find the Miss Clear glue because it remains out of stock for most of the time because people craze for it, so that's why. So just wishlist it before. Whenever that will be available, Nykaa will send you a notification to purchase that, so you can go ahead and purchase that particular product. But for Amazon, please hear me out. Don't expect anything from those nail or lash glues which is available on Amazon like no one's business. Next, I'm gonna talk about the scrunchies or hairbands that is available on Amazon like no one's business. Literally, you can easily find out any scrunchies or hairbands under 10 rupees and you will end up paying lot less amount of money that you pay for a scrunchie on Amazon. Because before making this video, of course, I was going through Amazon, checking the price list and all of that. At one point, I just checked one scrunchie, like literally one scrunchie, okay, costs 500 rupees, and I was literally shaking for a bit after watching that. I don't know what to say, but for a scrunchie you are paying 500 rupees. किससे बना हुआ है? Gold से? I have no single clue, but you should not purchase that scrunchie. Even if you are purchasing any scrunchies from any like high-end markets like Pantaloons or Big Bazaar, they cost you at least 250 rupees, which is quite reasonable. I won't say it's so reasonable, go for it, yeah. It's quite reasonable compared to the Amazon. I don't know what scrunchies are actually retails for 500 rupees. It doesn't make any sense. And even it's not the end, okay? It's not the end. I found one scrunchie was retailing for like 250 rupees and the shipping charge of that particular products was 80 rupees. They are just fooling you around and nothing else. Just stop buying scrunchie right now if you're purchasing scrunchies from Amazon, okay? The next product that I will highly suggest you not to go for is the set of 50 or 30 brushes that is available on Amazon. Let me take a moment, and I am guilty of this. Usually when I was a beginner, I used to purchase a lot of sets from Amazon, and after that I tried to look at them and I was terrified. Which brush I'm gonna use for what? I don't know. I used to Google because I had no idea what to use because there were like 50 brushes, and literally with time I just found out you can use only 5 or 6 brushes among them and the others remains as redundant as it is, I feel like they can easily sell separate brushes. I think they will cost much cheaper, and I will suggest you to go for good quality brushes. Invest in such brushes which actually works and which actually lasts long, because after 1 or 2 use, even if you are washing it so often, listen up, you have to wash your brush after every single use. It plays a very important role on your skincare as well. So that's what happened with me. I used to purchase a lot of Amazon brushes, and after some time I just found out they are of no use. So you are ending up paying lots and lots of extra money for the brushes that you are never going to use, and that will literally fill up your makeup vanity and nothing else. So from the next time, even if you are checking brushes in Amazon, go for pack or any other brushes which is like Sigma brushes and all of that. I know they are very costly, but take your time. Brushes are investment. Good brushes are always investment. They will not destroy so soon, and their bristles are very fine, so you can use lesser product as well. Yes, that is a thing I wanted to mention. Just try to distinguish. Even if you have the Amazon brushes, pick the same brush from the pack and try to distinguish them by applying the product. Okay, you will find out that you need lot less product with the good brushes rather than taking a lot of products on the Amazon brushes. So even if you're thinking that you are saving your money, you are not actually saving your money. Another thing I wanna stop recommending you to purchase from Amazon is sunglasses. Now again, I wanna say that sunglass is an investment. Try to purchase good sunglasses which is actually effective and it actually prevents the sun rays. And the sunglasses that are available on Amazon, I just feel like you can get that sunglasses from Splanet or Bada Bazaar or Hatibagan. Look at the sunglasses as investment like the brushes. Okay, sunglasses are very important even if you are going out for a regular basis. Even if you are not using any glasses, you don't have any power on your eyes, it will protect your eyes from the UV rays and the sun rays. So try to invest in good quality sunglasses rather than going for 500 rupees wala glasses on Amazon, which you can find under 100 rupees in your local market. So my main motive of making this video to make you understand that all the products that you purchase from e-commerce platforms are not worth it. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell icon so whenever I will post new videos in future, you will get a notification of that. And hopefully I will see you guys on the next one. Till then, I love you all so much. Stay happy, stay beautiful, take care, bye.